Rob Mac.
What's up, everybody? It's the Spectre Show, and I'm your host, Rob Mac from M3 Beats. Today, I'm going to unbox a mystery bucket that I got from Adams Polishes. The contents of the mystery bucket were guaranteed to be at least $69 worth of total value, but Adams Polishes was going the extra mile and taking a random selection of mystery buckets and stuffing them with way more product at a much higher value. So I'm going to see if I was one of the lucky people that got higher value product or if I just got them a $69 amount. I was going to make a purchase from Adams Polishes anyways because I had been waiting to try some of their products on my car this summer, so it was a great way for me to jump in and get a nice selection and assortment of products from them that I can try when it's time to start detailing my car and get away from the coin-operated touchless washes, which don't do a great job, but they get me through the winter in Michigan. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open the box and see what's inside. Let's take the mystery bucket out of the box. It came nicely packed inside of a box that's just about the same size as the bucket, so just lift straight out. So let's remove some of this stuffing and see what we got. Alright, so the bucket is pretty much full to the top. It's filled completely with a bunch of different products. We're going to pull those out one by one, show you what we got here, and then I'll go on Adam's website and total everything up and see what the value of it was, and then post that in the video as well. Alright, so I got 4 spray nozzle tops to go with some of these items that I got here. The first thing coming out of the bucket is I've got a carpet and upholstery cleaner. I'm really interested in that, so kind of lucky there. That's something that I was looking to try out, so nice job. Adams Polishes Detail Spray, the Black Friday collection. This one is red. Looks like it might be kind of toxic, but awesome. So we'll do a review on these products later and how they actually work. We've got another Adams Polishes Detail Spray. This one is pink instead of red. We've got Adams Polished Leather Conditioner. So again, lucked out. Another product that I was going to buy anyways. So I got like 2 of the items that I was already after. This is Adams Polish Wax and Wash Concentrated. So that's another good one that I probably would have bought anyways and tried out. And then this one is the Adams Polishes Cars and Coffee. This one is also a detail spray. Safe on paint, glass, chrome, and fiberglass. So this one is a chocolate color, so I don't know if it's different than the other 2 or if it's just the color and the labeling that's pretty cool. We shall see. Nice. So I got a Adams Polishes clay bar, fine grade synthetic clay bars, 2 in a jar. Definitely something that I would use. So doesn't look like I got anything bad in here that I wasn't interested in. And then I've got a Ultra Plus drying towel. That's pretty nice. I can see that the sticker on this item alone is $34.99, so looks like we may have hit the mark, if not higher. And then I have a Adams Polishes single soft polishing towel. This one looks like a microfiber, really nice microfiber towel. I can see the price tag on this one is $9.99. So again, we're already at $50 worth of product just with the 2 towels alone. And then it looks like that completes everything that was in the bucket. So besides that, I got the nice bucket that's a translucent white color. I don't know if this one is the one that was the clear or the white. I don't know if I ordered in time, but either way, looks like we got a pretty nice haul here. So I'll total all this stuff up, and then I'll give you guys a price total of all the products that I got. But pretty happy with what I achieved from the kit. This all looks like you know, stuff that I would have purchased anyways, and would have had stuff that I would have purchased anyways, and stuff that I was going to use that I already use on my car. So these are the kinds of products that I was interested in from Adams Polishes to try out on my F30 this summer and see how well they perform. So really happy with the purchase so far. So that was it. This is the video. Just wanted to show you guys what it was that came in the package. And remember, if you like my content, please leave a comment or a suggestion. Make sure you subscribe so you get the latest updates and videos from M3 Beats for my F30. And then also follow me on Instagram for all of my photography and car shenanigans.